Hello viewers, in this video we will create this CSS animation card. The HTML part is so easy, so we will continue from the CSS. But don't worry, I will give you the complete source code, so check the description for source code download link. Let's start from the CSS. Our design is almost complete, so check the description for source code download link. Thanks.